Hi, how are you? I hope you're okay, strong and safe and happy. Alright, so here we will continue from where we stopped in our last video, and that it was up to 35. So we're continuing from 36. And 36 says Mrs. Jones. Did I just say Jones? It's Jones. Oh, Jones. Mrs. Jones bought 5 packets of liquid medicine at Joe's store. And the underlined word is liquid. Now remember, we're doing antonyms. We're asked to provide antonyms of the underlined words. That's the opposite in meaning to the underlined words. So what's the meaning of the word liquid? Now we have our options: A, solid; B, hard; C, stone; D, light; and E, feather. Which would it be? Let's see. So our 36. Okay, did I just say 36 again? Oh, which one was me? Oh, all right. So liquid means fluid. When you say something is in a liquid form, fluid. That's water, something like water, something in a watery form. Okay, so that's fluid. So the opposite of liquid is solid, right? So it's either it's in a fluid form or it's in a fixed form, right? Just solid, just fixed. All right, a fixed matter. So that's solid. The opposite of liquid is solid. Thick and fixed. Not watery. So that's our answer, solid. The opposite of liquid is solid. So just as drinks are liquid, are usually in liquid form, foods are usually in a solid form, right? Okay, so our 37th question is: goods made in Nigeria have increased very considerably. Your options are A, inflated; B, depressed; C, decreased; D, multiplied; and E, relaxed. Which is the correct answer? Okay, what does it mean to increase again? Remember, we said it, right? I think we came across a similar question when we talked about declining. So here we have increase. So what does it mean to increase? To increase means to go up. To go up. So it either goes up or it comes down, right? Right? So it either goes up or it comes down. So the opposite of increased would be decreased. Decreased. So that's it, decreased. And we have it. So the answer is decreased. And where is it? Option C. Oh, I thought we said option D again. Alright, fine. So good. So we have option C, decreased, as the opposite of increased. And 38. Illegal aliens obey the laws of Nigeria. Obey is the online word. So we to answer the opposite of the word obey. We just apply the answer to the opposite of the word obey. Now we have options A, stick to; B, abide; C, disobey; D, honored; and E says A and D. A and D. Okay? So what does it mean to obey? To obey means abiding by instructions. Abiding by instructions, just like good children should. Good children should obey their parents, obey their teachers, right? So that's what it means to obey. Abide by instructions given to you by your elder ones. That makes you good children. So that is obey. And what would be the meaning of obey? And what would be the opposite of obey? Obey would have its opposite as disobey. So you're either obedient or disobedient. So that's the opposite, disobey. And we have it in option C again, disobey. That is our correct answer. And don't forget, you can reach out to us. You can reach out via telephone, you can reach out via WhatsApp, you can download our app, you can go to our website. You can do a lot of things. I mean, just think of a lot of things you could do with your electrical gadgets. A lot of things. Okay? You can subscribe, you can like, you can comment, you can share. Alright, let's go. Don't mind me? No, mind me. You should mind me. I noticed that earlier. Mind me. Alright, so our third to ninth question is, after general election in Nigeria, politicians fulfilled their promises to the electorates. Who are the electorates? The electorates are the masses, those elected the politicians in position. Those that elected the politicians into positions. They're the electorates. Okay, so our options are A, unfulfilled, B, disappointed, C, failed, D, lied, and E, left out. Now remember that the underlined word is fulfilled, so we're to answer we are to supply the answer to the word. What do I say? We have to supply the answer, which is the opposite answer. Okay, the answer, the opposite. Why is English this frustrating? I don't get it. Why is this frustrating? Okay, I'm going to take it slow this time. We are to supply the opposites to the word fulfilled. I got it right this time. So let's see, what would it be? So what does it mean to fulfill? To fulfill means to satisfy or to live up to expectations. So when you fulfill your desires, your heart desires, you satisfy your heart desires. When you desire to become a scientist, a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher like me, whatever it is you want to do, to fulfill your dreams means to satisfy, to live up to your dreams. That is fulfilled. So what would the opposite be? The opposite would of course mean unfulfilled. So the opposite of fulfilled is unfulfilled. Option A. That is the correct answer. Option A, unfulfilled. There we have it. Boom. Let's move on to the 40th question. The Constitution of Nigeria is said to be unwritten. Unwritten. Okay, so what does it mean to be unwritten? When something isn't written down, right? Yeah, when it's not written down, when it's not stated in writing. So our options are A, reported, B, engraved, C, veiled, D, oral, and E, written. So what does it mean to unwritten? To write something, to not write something. That's the meaning. Let us say that, yeah. To not write something, that's the meaning of unwritten. It means not written, oral, something that is not stated in writing. So the opposite of unwritten would of course mean written, right? So you either write it or you don't write it. The opposite of unwritten is written. Who enjoyed today's lesson? I did. I enjoyed this lesson. I know you did too. I know you did too. So, I know what you expect me to say. I'm not going to say it this time. I know you want me to say subscribe, like, comment, share, download our app. You can go to the Google Store, and you can go to the Apple Play Store, no, the App Store. You can download it in your Android and iOS. You can. No, I'm not saying that because I just said that. I just said that. So I said it. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment, and what? And do just about anything you can do with PrepClass. And reach out. Yes, reach out to us. We are here for you, and we are here for you. So please reach out to us. Our tele number there, our website, our app, and WhatsApp. We are everywhere around you. Okay? So, did I just wave my hand? If it's like grade school, like in grade, I'm just gonna say hi. You know, like supermodels do. Bye. Take care, alright? Be good.